Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and visual overviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Kia Sportage Facelift European model. Kia's compact SUV has been turning heads since its bold redesign in 2022, and now, the facelift version brings a more refined and futuristic edge to one of the brand's best-selling models. Exterior updates, sharper and more premium. The front fascia of the 2026 Sportage gets a more aggressive stance. Kia has sharpened the signature tiger nose grille, which now flows more seamlessly into slimmer, reshaped LED headlights. The new DRL pattern continues with the boomerang motif, but it's been slimmed down for a sleeker, more high-tech vibe. Below, the bumper design is cleaner, with more sculpted air intakes and a premium satin finish around the lower grille. The rear has also received tweaks, including a redesigned bumper and updated LED taillights that stretch slightly wider, emphasizing the Sportage's width and road presence. Wheel designs and color options. Kia introduces new alloy wheel designs ranging from 17 to 19 inches, depending on the trim. These come in darker finishes that complement the sportier aesthetic. There are also two new paint colors exclusive to the facelift: urban moss green and steel graphite gray, adding a fresh, contemporary palette to the lineup. Interior refinement, subtle but effective. Inside, the facelift Sportage retains its dual panoramic screen layout, with slight upgrades to UI responsiveness and menu transitions. Kia has improved material quality, especially around touchpoints like the door panels and center console. Expect soft touch surfaces, refined stitching, and a more premium feel across the board. Ambient lighting now extends to more areas of the cabin, including the footwells and rear doors. Kia also introduces a new two-tone interior option in light gray and black, exclusive to European models. Tech and driver assistance. The 2026 model comes with the latest iteration of Kia's ADAS suite, with enhancements in lane centering, adaptive cruise, and blind spot monitoring. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard across more trims, and the voice assistant receives multilingual support tailored for the European market. Outro, final thoughts. Kia's 2026 Sportage Facelift doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it smartly evolves a successful design with sharper visuals and smarter tech. For a compact SUV that balances style, comfort, and practicality, it's hard to overlook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from Pro Wheelhouse. See you in the next review.